My name is William Buchanan. I've currently been employed with the hospital for 8 years now. Since then I have progressed to become Senior Technical Officer Supervisor. Let's find out more about this role.
Hi, my name is Nolene. I'm a supervisor in CSSD. Prior to that, I was an ATO. A day in the life of an assistant technical officer involves washing, sterilising, cooling, assembling, packing and storing surgical instruments.
Hi, my name's Chelsea. I'm an ATO in the Sterile Service Department. I've worked here for the last 6 months and I find the job very challenging and rewarding. Skills required for the role include teamwork, communication skills, problem solving, time management, attention to detail and organisation skills.
As a technical officer, I enjoy being part of the team, competitive rates of pay and continuous learning.